Hello friends, today's topic is how to sort and filter together to sort a range. Suppose there is a list of record, so combinedly how we can use sort and filter together and limit to a particular number, and the sort order will be in ascending. Let's see how it is happening. This is the record of students. This is their score in percentage. This is the cut-off mark. That is, we have to filter the mark of the students having more than 80 percentage, and will show the sorted student who will be filtered by it more than 80 percentage in ascending order. So let's see how it is happening. So for that we have to write sort function here, then we have to type filter also here, then we have to select the range. This is our range, then put a comma here, then this is the score. Condition is that it's greater than, I mean, 80 percentage. Close the bracket. One for ascending. So press the key, enter here. So we found this is the listed student filtered by whose score is more than 80 percentage, and it is sorted ascending order. So in this way we can sort and filter together, and that filter to a particular limit, I mean we'll put the cutoff mark 80, and the sorting order is ascending. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.